Tallying a day's sale is the most important part for any retailer to better control their business. Using BizSmart, you can easily control your shop opening and closing with utmost visibility on all the aspects. My name is Banbir and we are going through how you can easily tally a day of your business using BizSmart. To start using BizSmart for a new day, you need to use your login details to log in. For that, enter your user ID and password and tap Login. To start a new business day, it's important that you enter the opening cash balance for the day. Here in BizSmart, you can see that the last day's closing balance is auto-filled on the opening day balance field. You can edit the opening balance to the desired amount if you wish to. If the opening balance for the day is different than the last day's closing balance, you need to select the debit or credit account for the difference. Save the opening balance and now you have successfully started a new business day for your store in BizSmart. Now you can perform all the required business transactions such as sales, purchases, expenses, and so on. And once you have reached the closing time, it's vital that you tally all the accounts for the day. With BizSmart, you can do this very easily. To close a day, tap the Day Closing button from the homepage or from the Quick Launch panel at the bottom. BizSmart will take you to the Day Closing page, where you will see all the vital business information for the day. On the top tile, you can see the general summary with day start and end time, cashier information, opening balance, and the sales information. In the next section, you will see a detailed breakup of all the non-cash sales performed for the day by using payment methods such as bank cards and UPI. Moving on, you will see the cash statistics with closing cash balance as per the system considering opening balance, cash sales, cash outflow, cash inflow, etc. You can confirm if the closing cash balance shown here is tallying with the actual cash present in the cash counter by tapping the Accept button. If you find a difference in both the balances and you wish to record the difference in BizSmart, you can do it by tapping the Change button. Enter the actual closing balance on the Closing Balance field. Tap Save and BizSmart automatically records the difference in the Sales Difference account head. You can track this later from the BizSmart Report Center. You can review the account movement at the bottom. BizSmart will show how much each cash and bank account holds and the change in them during the business day. If you find the figures correct, you can go ahead with the day closing by tapping Day Closing button at the bottom. If you wish to print the day closing report, tap on the print option. Or if you wish to keep a digital copy or share the copy with anyone else, you can do that too. Simply tap on the share button and you can share the report using any available messaging apps on your mobile phone. You have now successfully tallied the accounts and closed your business day. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions or need further support, visit the BizSmart Help Center or contact us directly from the links available on the application. We will always be available at your service. Be smart with BizSmart.